JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an eToro account. So to do this is pretty simple. So right here, we have our eToro. So we want to sign up with your Google or any other things. So I'm going to sign up with my Google right here. So I'm going to sign up and continue it. There you go. So you can use your Google, your Apple, and whatever else that is available right there. So from there, you'll be welcome to eToro. So the next thing you'll have to do is of course verify your account. So you can verify your account right here by placing your first legal name, and it should match your ID. So let's just place my name right here. So just place test. So there. So this must match your ID, of course. Don't follow what I'm doing, not literally, just but this is a guide. So place your date. So let's just place 8 and 2000. So it must match your government ID. So search your residence, and there you go. So let's just say you're not a US person. I was not born in the US, and this country is my birthplace and country of citizenship. So you'll have to place your street, your number, your city, your postal code, and from there. Then next you'll submit your own government ID, which is going to be your passport or national ID or whatever's actually in your disposal. So from there, it's gonna actually verify you already, and there you go. You're already verified in a few days or just in an instant, depends on eToro. So there you go, guys. That is how you open an eToro account. It's just pretty simple. So if this video helps you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.